Creative Dreamer, and I am Shrishti. So today I will tell you how to make DIY fridge magnets with air dry clay. So let's begin. As the air dry clay, I am using Fevicryl's Moldage, or you can use Shilpkar or any air dry clay. I have buy it from the Amazon, and I will give you the link in the description. The next thing we need are these super cool fridge magnets. These are set of 25 pieces and they are very sticky. So these also I buy from Amazon. I will provide you the link in the description box. So let's make a Shilpkar clay and work upon the magnet. In this Shilpkar we have two clays. First is the hardener and second is the soft resin base. So to mix them, first we will add some powder on our base. One is the softener. So make sure that you keep it in the airtight container. If you keep it out for 10 seconds, then it will dry up very quickly. So it is very soft, so it is very difficult to take it out. So guys, now we will mix it. And I'll meet you after mixing it. Ready. So I have taken this much portion and rest I will store it in the airtight container so that it doesn't rise up. So now we will make a roll out of it. And we will roll it out with the help of rolling pin. Make sure you take some powder, otherwise it will be very sticky. Shape is. So now I will take any round container or lid and cut a circle out of it. So now the first shape of a fridge magnet is ready. Here I have made a circle. You can make any shape and let it dry out and keep it aside. It will take at least 4 to 5 hours to dry out. Take as many shapes that are possible with the loaf of clay that I made. So next shape I am making is a donut. So for this we will roll up clay. Make sure to not make it so much thin, and we'll cut it out. And for the inner hole I am using the pen cap. See guys, so our donut is also ready. So guys, now our shapes are ready. This is one circle, this is the second one. I made one donut, one house, and here we can write any code, and here I made some peas. So let them dry out. Guys, here are all of the magnets. They have dried up completely. You can see. So I have done some detailing on it. Here I will write a code. Here too, this is a house, this is donut, this is a lemon or orange, and this is peas. So let's color them with the bright colors. So guys, now let's take magnets to our fridge magnets. So here we have the set of magnets, it's 25 magnets, and I got it from Amazon. I will give you the link in the description. So I'll meet you after pasting the magnets. Here I'm pasting with glue gun. First step is to spray with the spray varnish. So spray all of them and meet you. All of the fridge magnets I made. This one is the quotation, orange. This one is the peas, house, donut, and Chilmar, the most easiest. So if you guys like my video, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and do try these and comment down.